Is apa? Soil. Pwede lang. Awan dia.
Agarabad na! Agarabad!
Mana? So guys, I'll put a fertilizer on my tomato plant. This is the organic fertilizer. This is our way to grow a plant. This is made from the rice field leaves. So it's already yung latana. So I need to put it. I'll put it in the pan. This is a tomato, guys. Hopefully it's grow hopefully. You know guys, the tomato here is very expensive this month during Christmas season. The tomato is so very expensive. This size is about 12 pesos. This one size. So we need to plant para hindi na no need to buy in the market. So hopefully guys, my tomato is magkuan siya success. So I need to put a fertilizer. Here in the mountain guys, all you need is hard work. Look at my green chili. There's a lot of kuan, bunga. Oh my god, didn't survive. So we need to pull it because this is not kuan. So the second one. Hopefully guys, I pray that my tomato is success. In your area guys, or in your place, how much per kilo sa tomato? Because here in the Biliran Leyte, Philippines, so very expensive. I don't know why. Maybe because since during the kuan Christmas season, the price is higher. Look at the other guy, so bad because the soil is not good now, so we need to put a fertilizer. So hopefully survive. So I'm magkuha ako ng so we need to put a land para matabunan yung soil fertilizer. Ayaw yan na, kailan ka sunod? Nato. Pasulan siya. We need to put a land. This is my second attempt to plant a tomato guys. But my first attempt to try to plant a potato is so bad because not successful. So this is the second try. Second time to plant a potato. Hopefully they grow healthier and successful. Okay, let's proceed to others. Look at my green chili guys. I'm so happy that there's a lot of bunga. Look at. Oh my god, I'm so very happy. And that's good. And this area. Aida, anong imong gihulog? And the sigarilyas is there's a lot of bungag there. Then Kada bunga.
Waan na.
Oo, wait lang.
Waan ako.
Apa oh.
Diba?
And let's proceed the other. Ito we need a fertilizer. Wait lang. Look at the bell pepper. Bell pepper. The plant is so smaller, not so not good because not enough for fertilizer because I'm so very busy na, so right now lang ako may time mag-ano sa aking garden. Last time I'm so very busy, so I don't focus my plant, so that's why this is the result not good. But hopefully it survive. That's enough. At my guys, eggplant. This eggplant, it's too old na. So that's why the result is not good. Another one. But not bad. Si Shanshan. So let's go home. Oh, come on, Shanshan. Shan. Kasi.